What is up, my amazing YouTube friends? Welcome back to the sickest garage here on the platform for an interior detail of a 2010 Nissan Pathfinder. Funny story, I was going through the vehicle doing the before videos because sometimes I forget to do that. So I make sure to do that first thing, and customer's phone chilling on that passenger seat. Bummer, because typically I only have the customer's number, so calling them is not going to do a lot of good. Hopefully they can remember or figure it out and come back and get it, which I thought was pretty funny. But regardless, interior detail, it's going to be sick. Cloth seats, which isn't my favorite, and fabric floor mats, it's just gonna be awesome. We'll start with vacuuming the interior. Yeah, we'll start there. Chilling in the trunk here got me so excited. The tornador is going to absolutely obliterate this dust, and this transformation is going to be so sick. Honestly, my friends, the tornador has a really solid application, and that is to get the ingrained dust out of the fabric. Vacuuming alone just doesn't quite cut it. So it does make a huge mess in the garage, and I can see why there is hesitation or animosity towards the tornador, but I'm telling you, my dearest friends, it has a purpose. Now I see you sitting there thinking to yourself, why start with the tornador with this stupid looped carpet? It doesn't matter if you vacuum it first or not, because you don't get anything with you vacuum it. Not really. Even with my awesome DeWalt, might as well just start with what looks cooler on camera, which is this. Homie who's recommended a different cleaner method, but I haven't tried it yet just because I have a bunch of this citrus or foaming citrus carpet cleaner from the chemical guys. So I just spray this on with just a cheap HDX sprayer. Gonna agitate with the drill brush. Then I extract with my Sandia extractor, which has lasted the test of time. It's been a really solid product and it has done a ton of extractions. Fingers crossed it keeps it up. Those mats, extracting those mats was out of control. It went really well, obviously, but that was gross, super gross. A lot of dust. Extracting them was awesome. Yeah, it's just all of it. Check out that nasty line. Isn't that so sick? I was just singing the Sandia carpet extractor's praise and it totally busted. The handle completely broke off. And now I've been trying to squeeze the button with my finger and it hurts real bad. So I try to quarter, I try to rock, I try to about everything not everything I can think of, but a few different things. So it's still turning out okay, but it's not as easy. I'm gonna grab the handle and see if I can do it with the just to save my finger, because it hurts so bad. Even with the shattered handle of the Sandia carpet extractor, I think the carpet extractions the carpets turned out really amazing. Steam cleaner's warming up. Let's go grab the AP sizzle and get some plastics cleaned. And it needs it, especially in that trunk. know I make a point to say this all the time, but I love dirty plastic cleaning. Normal detailing is fine, but when the plastics or anything, the vehicle is just a little bit dirtier, it's funner. It's totally funner. Let's protect. Let's protect. I absolutely loved this detail. This was sick. I'm gonna get some after shots, clean up, go to bed. It's late. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, Epic customer, for bringing me your rig. It was so much fun to detail. I hope that you love the results, and I hope, of course, that you like this video. My friends, thank you so much for hanging out. I hope you loved this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.